Good evening. Indian stock drifted lower on Monday with the key stock benchmarks ending near the day's low after the Chinese market tumbled in the late trade due to the weekend rate hike and European markets weakened. The broader indices finished mixed with the market breadth more or less neutral. Sector-wise, pharma and IT stocks bucked the negative trend while metals and real estate were among the top losers. Sentiment in India was partly driven by the volatile behavior of the Chinese market and later by the European indices. Markets in China surprisingly held firm for most part of the day before a late bout of selling pressure dragged the indices down. That had a bearing on the European stocks, which also fell sharply at the opening bell. However, losses in the Indian stock weren't as steep as in the overseas market. The BSE Sensex closed at 20,028, up by 0.2% over the previous close. It had earlier been as high as 20,190 and as low as 20,010 after opening at 20,062. The NSE Nifty lost 13 points or 0.2% to end at 5,998 after hitting a day's low of 5,991. It earlier touched a day's high of 6,045 after opening at 6,013. The BSE Small Cap Index was up by 0.2% while the BSE Mid Cap Index lost 0.2%. The market breadth was just marginally positive with 1,461 shares rising and 1,396 shares falling on the BSE. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.